Today, in this video, I will show you the easy steps to change your Google, or you can say Gmail account password. If you find the video useful, please do like and subscribe. Now, let's move to the steps. First of all, open the Gmail app on your mobile phone and then click on the profile icon in the top right side corner. As you can see, all your Google accounts appear here. If you want to change the password for any other Gmail account, you can change that account here and then simply click on the Google account button below your top profile. Now slide this tab to the right direction until you reach the Security tab, and then go down in Security tab and stop at the Password option, and then click on it. Here, enter your old Gmail password. But if you do not remember your password, then click on Forgot Password to reset it. However, I am assuming that you know your password, so enter it correctly and then click on the Next button. Now you can see that the option to create a new password has appeared. Create your password here, but keep in mind that the password must be a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to make a strong password, or try to create a type of password that nobody can crack it. Enter the same password here to confirm the new password, and most importantly, don't forget to take a screenshot of the password so that you can see it anytime in your gallery and use it for login in the future. And then click on the Change Password button. Now you can see a message showing password changed successfully. This is how you can change a Google or Gmail account password. But if you have any doubts left, then comment below.